What up, guys? I just woke up. Well, that's a lie. I woke up 2 hours ago. I've been doing some self-care routines, just like reading and stuff and learning about money and blah, blah, blah. Today, I'm going to show you what I eat in a day when I go into work. You can see what vegans usually eat because it's super important. I'm going to show you what I eat at my job. I'm going to show you right now what I eat for breakfast. And then for lunch, I usually like to make another smoothie, but I think I may make oatmeal today. As you can see, my hair is super oily. Let me explain. So I'm trying to naturally dye my hair black. So I added black sesame oil, and then I added castor oil and mustard oil. And I found this out through a YouTuber online, an Indian YouTuber who just posts like Indian recipes in regards to hair and skin. So anyway, I hope it works. I'm going to eat breakfast right now and then I will shower and see if my hair got darker. Here we go. I actually went too quickly and I already put all my ingredients in the blender. I put about 4 bananas, then I put 6 dates, and then a bunch of soy milk, like maybe like 3 cups of soy milk, because soy milk is the bomb. If you don't want to put soy milk, you can always put almond milk. I am going to add some berries that I bought at Trader Joe's just to make it look pretty. I'm gonna add some oats. Like I said, I love oats just because it has a lot of fiber and protein. Like a 1/3 cup of oats. It's bomb. It's amazing. I didn't realize how hungry I was. It's kind of cool being on YouTube because when you film videos just spontaneously, you kind of just don't care how you look on camera. It helps with confidence. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. So, you don't have to like make a smoothie with this amount of ingredients. You can always cut it in half, like to maybe 2 cups of soy milk instead of like the 3 to 4 cups I just put. And you don't have to put 6 dates. You could put 3 dates and just 2 bananas. But I'm trying to gain weight just because it's better, healthier for me to be just at a normal weight. I just have a super fast metabolism, so losing weight is just, it just comes naturally to me if I don't keep count of my calories. So I'm gonna finish this up and I'm gonna shower. I'm not gonna film myself showering, okay? I know you wanna see it, but you can't. Just got out of the shower. Clearly my hair does look darker because it's wet. So I don't know if that oil thing is gonna work. It did work the first time though. Right now I'm going to make some lunch and it involves oats. So I put water in the saucepan. You guys know how to cook oats, right? Instant, steel quick oats. Oh, my face looks pretty good. Enough about me, but yes, instant steel cut oats. If you don't have that, then use quick oats. Anything that's instant oats. Quick cooking. Quick, easy, cheap, vegan cooking. I'm gonna add steel cut oats, 3/4 cups of it. Bam. So you guys know how to cook oats, right? You just boil it. Okay. So what I like to make sure is that if the oats are absorbed, meaning if all the water is mainly gone and the oats are basically super soft and plump, then it's ready. I guess I'll wait. I hate waiting. So it should look like this. It should look all nubbly and soft and absorbed. All right, we're gonna set it to the side. And we are going to make the golden milk. 3/4 cup of soy milk or almond milk, whatever milk you want. Let it go. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. That's what's going to make it golden. We're gonna add some ginger. As so. Bam. Some cinnamon. Bam. 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 If you have vanilla extract, then you can add that. I don't have it, so I'm gonna skip it. A pinch of black pepper. Bam. Come on. Come on. Oh, okay, that's a pinch. Of golden clove. So. Okay, not several pinches, just a pinch, but nothing's coming out. Okay, some stuff came out. I don't really measure, but I should. I think when it comes to desserts, I definitely think you have to measure because you have one thing off and the whole thing sets it off. But for this, it's just oatmeal. Either way, it's gonna turn out great. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Bam. I don't have cardamom. If you guys have cardamom, use cardamom. Cool? Cool. And then we are going to cook it. Here we go. So I think I'm gonna get ready for work while this boils. Actually, we're not supposed to bring this to a damn boil. I did not know that, okay? So we're just going to warm it up. But look, yeah, golden milk, guys. So you're gonna pour your golden milk over your oats. Like so. I'm gonna mix it up a little. This is your golden milk oats. Hey, bam, bam. Look at that, golden milk. All right, and it smells pretty good. All right, guys, look at that. I transferred it to a nicer bowl because it's cuter. And I'm going to add my toppings. I'm gonna add some walnuts, because why not? And then maybe some maple syrup. Oh, that was a lot. Oh my God, it's okay. I like sweetness. You don't have to do that. Bam. That is the golden milk oats. I'm Princess Leia today. I am eating my lunch at work. It's a late lunch for me. I'm gonna be eating the oats that I cooked earlier. So let me see if it's good. If it's not, I will tell you. It's good. It's really good. When the ingredients was listed and one of them was pepper, black pepper, I was like, what? It's pretty good. It's good. So I ordered dinner because I didn't prepare well for today. I should do meal prep and planning because it could save a lot of money for me. I ordered pad thai because pad thai is bomb and it's carby and I love carbs. So look at that. Oh, ugh, look at that. It's delicious. All right, I'm gonna finish right now. I'm going to finish it right now. Am I speaking baby talk? I don't know. I don't know why I'm speaking this way. Maybe because I'm so hungry. Anyway, have a great night. I'll talk to you in a bit. Bye.